there's a cat at my feet who thinks feeding is all I'm good for. Well, that and opening doors. He bumps me with his head as if to say, "Hey, attend to me down here." Why? Because I'm the only one here. But let it be known, I don't just hop to the moment that cat demands my attention. I let him cry for a second or two before I jump up and feed him in the kitchen.